Welcome back. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin. Price has come up from the low here and is moving inside the cloud on the H4 time frame here. Basically, I just wanted to outline what has happened here and that there is this trade coming up, possible trade. Let's see how it pans out. But we had a move down in a couple of waves, bottoming out at 43,000. And we can see the trend line here, SMA 200 on the H4 time frame, held support nicely, and the trend line is moving upward. We're in an uptrend basically, but we're retracing below the cloud here, so we have been in a retracement. So the trend on the Ichimoku system here has been bearish until just 8 hours ago, right? 4 hours ago, because we had a close inside the cloud. We also had some bullish divergence here, not so clear, but still, for me, these types of sort of flat MACD bottoms, and when we have a lower lows here, for me that's good. That's okay for being bullish divergence. So, and we're trading with the trend, so it's useful indicator here, as well as having the bounce on the SMA 200. Another thing, if you're looking at the pivot point system here, which I use as an additional tool, we've cleared these. This is the new monthly pivot point, and so we have tested that out, cleared that one, which was good. You can see once we opened here, and the new pivot was above price. Price instantly gravitated to it. It's very common. Yeah, so we have that cleared, and also now price is sort of inside this cloud and it's neutral on using the Ichimoku system. So I'm gonna show you this signal that is potential, could come up quite soon using the Ichimoku system. So we have a cloud here. This is a bearish cloud, and there is a bearish future here. You can see the red line is above the green line all the time. Now what we're waiting for a buying signal is a price to close above the cloud here, and if we have a twist here so that the green line crosses over the red line, we have a Kumo cloud twist here, so the future becomes bullish, as we say, using this system. And we have a close above, then it's a buying signal. So if we have a close above here without this twist, it's more regarded as overbought. So one has to wait and see what price does at that moment. So sometimes, at rare occasions, price will just shoot up and force a twist here, and then if you don't take the trade at first breakout, well then you might miss out here. So, but they're usually a retracement anyway. So, and a more modest way or more conservative way of opening a trade using this system is to wait for a retracement and a retest of the cloud from above once the future is bullish here. So you have a breakout, comes up, maybe testing the R1, coming down to this level. So and then you can either buy when it bottoms out, or you can wait for price to take out the breakout top here. So you place a buying order just above the new top that's formed here. So, but then you will miss out on a few here, but you will have less risk in that. That's how what kind of risk you're willing to take here in the trade. So just to show you where we have the support and resistance, here we have a support zone, Here we have resistance. So this support became resistance. So this is reflected in the rather flat Kumo cloud here. So that's why we have it, and it will become resistance once price comes up here. So normally price will, depending on the momentum, but normally price will sort of hesitate here at the first test here. Linger a little bit, maybe come down a little, maybe to this level, 49,800 or something, and then make an attempt to break. Also, waiting a little bit for a twist here. It's hard to project how many periods we will have to go for. Maybe a 2-3 here. We will have the twist. So price might hesitate a little before it breaks above this. Anyway, so just to close above these highest close here will also be bullish, of course. So we have a candle close above 50,850 or something. Will also sort of add fuel to this move up. So that's where we are right now. And yeah, let's see if we can get this trade. That would be nice, because if we have this situation, we will end up in a... Oh, sorry, got this. Let's see, there, yeah, okay. Then we will have a move, maybe, who knows, maybe a fresh breakout and a move going like this. So we create a new leg up where price moves above the cloud and bounce on the Kijun-sen, the white equilibrium line here. So that's the normal situation in a bull trend. See here, price is respecting the Kijun-sen, not closing below it until here. So this is also the start of the retracement here. So using the Ichimoku system, you can actually also just use the Kijun-sen. It's a more aggressive way of trading, where you buy the Kijun breakout, you have a close above the Kijun-sen, along with the trend, so to speak. So you're trading with the trend. You can see that in the SMA 200 here, and you have a close above the Kijun-sen. When Kijun-sen has been resistance before, you can see it was tested here, and it held resistance here, but here it's broken. So this was actually a signal for the more aggressive traders. So if you're a scalper or something, you would typically take this trade, open it, place the stop below here, I would say. So you have this is the risk you're taking here. And if you're using leverage, of course, that risk can be substantial. But on the upside, then you have, of course, target up here, 58,000. So you have a good 2-to-1 trade here, I would say. So that would be also good. So yeah, that was a short video here about this possible trade coming up. So let's see how it pans out. Thanks for watching.